Let me show you how to cut this Vicky James overbust corset dress. Um so on the basic bodies, I input my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 and draw my nipple line going from the bust line all the way down to the corset hem. Next, I tighten the under bust at both sides of my nipple line by 0.75. Next, I connect from the under bust to the corset hem, drawing a straight line going down, making the waist and the corset hem part smaller and making the line slanty like so, and I connect on both sides. Next, on the waistline, input your waist circumference divided by 4 minus 1 inch for waist snatching. Then measure what you have here and put it back as well on the waistline. Now over to the bust line. On your bust line, input your bust circumference divided by 4. You can add 0.25 inch for ease. So now connect the line from your bust to the waist like so. Okay, so I just decided to extend that line going from the under bust. I decided to extend it to the hip. Though the corset will stop at the corset not it won't reach the hip, but just extend it like so. And then on the hip line, I will just put the hip circumference divided by 4. I will input it on the hip line. So after inputting your hip measurement on the hip line, go ahead and measure what you have there for the underbust tightening. Measure it and put it back at that side of the hip and then connect using your hip curve. I go ahead and add my bust dart here from the bust line at the side. The dart is 1.25. I'm going to create the dart like so. Next thing to do is to connect the mid shoulder. Connect it to the bust point like so. Extend the shoulder point out like so. Then slash through the mid shoulder line to the bust point. Now fold in your bust dart. Fold it. When you fold it, the mid shoulder that you slash will spread open. Now measure the dart that is now available at the shoulder. Divide it by 4. And when you divide it by 4, put the measurement you get here like so and connect it to the bust point. Also input the measurement at the armhole at the shoulder side and then connect, reshape the armhole. Open up the bust dart that you closed earlier and slash through it. So this way you can close the shoulder dart, close it to the new shoulder dart, and then draw the neckline like so. Shape it how low you want it to be or and how high you want it to be. Come in by 1 inch at the armhole here and also go down from the chest line by 1 inch and reshape the armhole like so. I reshape the neckline as well. So next I'm going to close back the bust dart. So I make the pattern unfold. I place the paper unfold to draft this pattern. So I'm going to open it up for you to see the entire front piece. So this is how it's looking like. I'm going to fold it back and just cut out the corset part or the part that I need out of this whole big body thing. So next I'll just cut the shoulder dart that we have here. I open up the front bodies and I'm going to close it back to cut the under bust tightening that we did or the tightening that we did. So this is how it look like after I spread it out. And I'm going to go ahead and shape the hem of the corset. I first draw a line at the center front before I go ahead and shape the hem of the corset. So basically I'm just shaping the hem like so. I place two parts together, which is the side and center piece of the corset, and I'm just shaping it like the hem like so. For the other side, I'm just basically going to use hand to free style this other side like so. So I'm just basically going to cut the hem out so I can continue with the back. And this is how the front look like. The front pattern is done. You can go ahead and add your sewing allowance onto the back. Add your circumference measurement on the waistline divided by 4 and also bust circumference measurement divided by 4 on the bust line and connect like so. And then for the center back I use 2.5. For the lacing here you can use 2, and here on the corset hem I use 2 inches. and I'm going to connect it, and this will be the lacing for the back. And then on the waist, divide by 2 and draw a straight line across. Here you have your darts. So this is what we are going to use for the waist snatching. I didn't take out anything for the waist snatch earlier, but when I take out this 0.5 inches for that on both sides, this will serve as the waist snatching. So on the hip, I input the hips across divided by 4, and the back does not have too much. So next I go down by 1 inch, which we did for the front, and then connect the neckline of the back like so, and the back is done. So I go ahead to cut out the back, and after I'm done, I just shape the hem of the corset like so a little bit, and this is it, done. If you find this video helpful, please follow and like this video if you find this video useful, because we'll be posting more tutorials on this page.